Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result, and this client after 3,200 and something graft, it's a year follow-up, and his hair completely transformed. And he did many months and years to research, and he told me that he had an option to go cheap, but the problem is he doesn't want to take chances and end up bad result, and then it cost him more expensive in the long run to go and for me to fix it. So he basically pretty much, after seeing a lot of my before and after video and result, and he read the forum and the review is one thing, but he want to see a lot of the before and after. So he did extensive research, and after that, and he came to my consult and those stuff to see my work and those stuff, and he proceed further. So we end up did 3,000 something, and now he has excellent density. And this is his real hair, no topic, no filler, nothing. This is all his real hair, and I'm extremely happy with the result because I rebuilt his hairline, brought his tempo in there as well. I'm gonna show the audience what he looked like before. If you look at it, and that was him. And this is one surgery, by the way, and we did 32 something, almost 3,300 graft. And in order to get good density, you're gonna need a lot of at least 3,000 or more. But we lower the hairline, brought the tempo, and this is where his hair now. And the right hand side, you see we brought in his tempo, and pay attention to the tempo because before it's further back, now it's right above the eyebrows and near there, and you see his tempo right here. And his hairline is good, and look at that. He didn't have that before. That was bald, and look at that now. And this is all his real hair. Again, his tempo all further back behind his eyebrows, 1 inch. So we brought it, and it's right above his eyebrow. But look at on top, there's no. And again, with other ethnic, the tempo is not that important. But for African American, the tempo is very utmost important because a perpendicular tempo frames the face better. Because if I don't bring in the tempo, he has a really wide forehead and a low hairline, and you don't want a wide forehead. And look at that. And his tempo perpendicular aligned down to his eyebrows, and the density as well. Again, you look at that before, there's no hair on top. There's hair on top. One surgery. Look at that. Again, not everybody gonna have perfect result with one surgery. Some people gonna need more than one surgery to have perfect density. But this is his real hair. You can cut it, you can perm it, you can dye it, you can do anything. Can you slowly turn to the left for me? Perfect. And you hold that, and you see how we brought in his tempo right here. Again, the tempo is not designed for density, so we just have a framing. But you see how the volume of the hair. And turn to the other side slowly for me. Perfect. And you see his tempo was here before, but now here, and that's where his eyebrows end. That's where the tempo is. But you look at the volume and density. Look at that. And you look straight at me. And this is all his real hair. No cutting, no topic, no filler, no collar, none of that stuff. This is all his real hair. Can you look down for me? And I will comb through for the audience to see. And I've been a specialist for black curly hair for over almost 15 years to tell you the truth. And I'm extremely happy for it because it really changed his face. This client actually knew he had it done, and he knew he was bald, but he forgot how extensive his hair loss was until he saw the before photo. And this really made me happy. Why? One of the greatest pleasure of doing hair transplant surgery is be able to see your work of art come to life and help a person's emotionally and physically as well. I mean, I bring back his handsome look, his handsome face, and he looks so much younger. And so not only brought back his youth, but his handsome look, and of course his self-confidence as well. And I'm going to show you on that's where he is now, and this is where he was. And again, with hair transplant, you have to be careful who you go to. You have to go to a hair transplant surgeon who specializes in black curly hair, and they have to have many years experience. And if the surgeons say they work on African American hair, you want to say, I want to see a lot of before and after. Okay, and not just 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or you want to 6 months. If I have 6 months have full density, it's fine, but 6 months with some growth, you don't trust that. You want to see a year. But if you have full growth 6 months, then great. I'm extremely happy with this result.